Meanwhile, Skybridge Capital's Anthony Scaramucci, that's right, the Mooch, says this GameStop scenario is a threat to old-time investors in the traditional financial order. Here's what he told Bloomberg Tech's Emily Chang.
So as someone who's been on Wall Street for a long time, does this feel like a threat to hedge funds, to the business of hedge funds, or to someone who is a more, sort of traditional investor who's been around the block?
I still like you, despite the fact you've called me old now and notorious. Okay, but I still like you. But no, yes, the answer is yes. It's absolutely threatening to old timers like me. This is my 33rd year in the business, less my 11-day fiasco in Washington. And what I would tell you is that the old world likes the old world order. The old world likes, okay, well, GameStop is going to go out of business because of this technological transformation. And so I'm going to get short GameStop and I'm going to punish the employees and the stockholders and the management team of GameStop and watch it go to zero. And the new world is like, well, we're going to challenge that orthodoxy. And they now have the power to do that. And every time that you see decentralization, whether it's in a political system, a financial system, you're going to have a seismic change in policy and a seismic change in the social contract. And so, yes, this is threatening everybody. But what I would tell my brethren in this industry and my brothers and sisters is that you have to accept that change. You have to think of what Charles Darwin said. It's not the smartest that survive. It's actually those that are most capable of adapting. This is one of the main reasons why Skybridge moved into the Bitcoin realm. And we put about $300 million worth of Bitcoin across our fund assets and started a Bitcoin-specific fund because this stuff is happening whether we like it or not, or whether we think it should happen, or whether it's challenging the existing orthodoxy.
That was, of course, Skybridge Capital's Anthony Scaramucci speaking Wednesday with Bloomberg Tech's Emily Chang.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quicktake now for insight in an instant.